Let us say Memoir Kwaba, Badwam TV, Badwam Health Tips. Me did a fear among Kwa Tamaklo. Now what you want near at Sanady, as a die order, also and then they kind Memoir Kwaba, strong Kokra, then now what by you free had that. Bibia perhaps we're feeding it Adom TV over Badwam. Now what her health tips and officer ha, a pomodin como be a young pen for no mudin como. Now what you mean I casafa kaka, how I dream pa. You didn't come up with and then you prevention. Quite bay, near boy and home by free kaka because a yarn your coffee badia, and a yarn to me. I'm an acco. Frame point was 0244867068. And we be a Hawajian frame infections, memman's infection or morte or bounce with the idea bubuja. Miss Roma infection, you are see home or frame point at Brown check it and from our prostate and so sa. Obapa tena tenejoma yetwa yenkomuiso yana se ne mo akwa babiem kaka se ya na ekofaba tisi ya na ekofaba de ebetimi a prevent kwa ba na ebe fa so a prevent ye ho afi kaka
me da say prevention me fan free nkola no side me bra nti about time yes right so feed you ba najo ewia kra no manisio
akwa mo behu how betimi agu
the way are almost cycling we need nsuo no
ati efemu kra aye bibi
okay reduce ebi beka kra reduce bebre onyini no na wo chere dey say odidi we ya no onfa nsuo no enwohoro ye num na ye in between snack no sugary we no ye reduce na ko senkola no mo bre obi wa ne ba ne stati so so anadwo na pan madana or disturb me
mi wa esuni chere bibi
through a lot nti pacho ya e ma feeding bottle ya e mo aduane anadwo no uya say want to be fancy na ke fagos and narcotic calcium no fepa menum na empenyin for so no just like I keep hammering brushing of teeth no nyumre no ehun hia
okay
obi so say so twitwi anyumre dia ondidi anadwo so ya no pa no e pacho for freshness of breath tea uchaya na pa
sa twitwi
e bi kwa na bacteria no mo bomba anadwo no nyame to ne nsafre obi nti oda so we uda ho ti de misrel fani se bacteria bi ewu enum nti anopa no twitwi o sin amaye then you visit your dentist twice just 2 times in a year just 2 times because and let me take this opportunity and say this say dental cleaning say 100 cedis and yeje for cleaning we year 6 months no I prevented yari akabenya for about 2 years we are the next 6 months which is 200 cedis no you are devoid about 80% of dental diseases but say you to see say cleaning 100 cedis you to see maybe 800 cedis it's na ye to atwa ne boy den
say the ntina no boy
cleaning now be ye no say yes see a fele crampo na is still less but the two atwa it is expensive it prevents it with a smaller money than taking it out losing it with a higher cost the be say dentistry is not expensive but neglect is expensive it's about sure prevention need choosing about time raise your mouth one kasa so did ya who we num na diane no and stay away visit your dentist twice in a year and you are good to go
no it's simple say ya
very simple
and you menye
very simple
you na work me gina so gidigidi be menene na wotweda na atiago ya bompa ese betumi adi so na ya ma hunidi amapa
it's a lifestyle on say o adopt lifestyle bia na aka
tise pa se meda menjutwe no
obi kwat me da na ne machine no asori no abetwetwe ne si obi amenene
abeka no abeka no it's true eda mwase number no
0243728542 0243728542
eda se ochna nkwa hoden ewo ho a wadaroma kan ho ne nto aso endpoint homeopathic clinic adaroma ena dwumedi yitumi de bro frɛ no a obejo so bribia eda se